All right, so for the last 2 weeks, I have been debating on doing vlogging, and you know, I don't think anything but right now is the perfect place to start this vlog. So right now we're at Utah Lake. That is in Utah, more like a Provo area, and we're just out here taking some pictures of our trucks. And these two lovely ladies, Barbara and Cindy, showed up, and they're just here visiting. They asked to take some pictures of our trucks, so here we are. Ryan's doing an interview on them.
Yep, the taco truck. What about you?
That one.
They're picking which their favorites. Cindy chooses mine, the Dr. Taco, and Barbara chooses the taco truck over here on the left. People like the lights, but also people like the simplicity of his truck with it just looking straight clean, no like fancy colors or anything like that.
These are the types of things I like.
Wait, how much is this camper
sweet.
van?
That is sweet.
Those are
100 grand?
in the six figures for sure.
Yeah.
But they're pretty
Well,
cool.
is it the what brand?
That's a Mercedes.
Yeah, the Mercedes. Yeah, and see, and I think it's cool, but the clearance, you don't have the clearance. I mean, it's
She knows her stuff.
It does.
well, you should,
No, not clearance like these Tacomas.
The adventures we went on this summer. Oh my goodness.
well, I want to really go in the, you know, like you should
We
see.
was on a trail we shouldn't have been on in the vehicle we was in.
Did you make it?
We did.
That's what counts.
Yes, we were with a girl from Chicago, and
Yeah.
and she's not in the country.
Yeah.
And it was just loaded with sheep, and
She was like,
and the
they were gonna
sheep,
hurt her.
yeah, well, the sheep were fighting. And so,
Having these Tacomas, honestly, and the little crew that we have rolling around all together, we get in the craziest situations with people, and it is so much fun.
I'm waiting at the shore with my arms wide open. Wind blowing in my hair, let the sea salt soak in. Coming on me full force, do this with my eyes closed, yeah. Just like that, do it like that. Cause when I catch that slow motion in your backseat, baby, I'm down for wherever it takes me. I ride it like a wave. I ride it like a wave.
So Barbara does have an Instagram. I better get them shout outs because I would be respectable if somebody did that to me. So we have Barbed Wire, that is hers. We have me, Dr. Taco. We have the taco truck and the shark taco. So follow us all on Instagram. If you don't already, I'm sure you guys do if you're coming to watching my YouTubes because I'll be promoting on my Instagram, of course. And anyway, this is vlog number 1, boys.